Have you ever thought about what happens when something melts? We usually think of matter in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have atoms locked in place, and gases have atoms zipping around freely. But liquids? They're a bit of a mystery. The atoms are jumbled up, constantly moving and bumping into each other like a chaotic crowd on a busy street. Understanding this dance of atoms, especially at the moment a liquid turns solid, is vital for everything from how ice forms to making stronger metals for airplanes. Recently, a team of scientists from the University of Nottingham and the University of Ulm in Germany decided to watch this process up close. And what they saw was completely unexpected. They used a super powerful electron microscope to watch tiny droplets of molten metal like platinum and gold as they cooled down. To do this, they placed the metal nanoparticles on a sheet of graphene, a one-atom thick layer of carbon, and heated them up like they were on a tiny stove. As the metal melted, the atoms started moving around wildly, just as you'd expect. But here's the crazy part: some atoms didn't move at all. They stayed completely fixed in place, even at scorching hot temperatures. It turns out these motionless atoms were stuck to tiny imperfections on the graphene surface, like anchors holding them down. This observation was already strange, but it led to something even more mind-blowing. The scientists realized they could control how many atoms got pinned down. By focusing the electron beam, they could create more of these anchor points on the graphene. This gave them a new way to control the liquid at the atomic level. They discovered that when only a few atoms were pinned, the liquid would cool and form a normal, orderly crystal. But when they pinned down a lot of atoms, something incredible happened. If the stationary atoms formed a ring around the liquid, it was like building a tiny fence, an atomic corral. This corral trapped the liquid metal inside. Trapped like this, the liquid just couldn't freeze. Even when the temperature dropped way below its normal freezing point for platinum, that's over 1,000 degrees below what's expected, it stayed liquid. This created a completely new state of matter, a corralled supercooled liquid. What happens when you cool this trapped liquid down even further? It finally turns solid, but not into a nice, neat crystal. Instead, it becomes an amorphous solid, a jumbled, disordered form of metal. This glassy metal is super unstable, held together only by the atomic corral. As soon as that corral breaks, the metal snaps back into its normal crystalline structure, releasing all that built-up tension. This discovery is huge. It's the first time we've ever been able to trap atoms in this way. We've done it with light and electrons, but never with entire atoms. The researchers believe they found a new hybrid state of matter, something that's part solid and part liquid at the same time. This could change our understanding of many things, especially catalysis. Platinum on carbon is a common catalyst used in all sorts of technologies. This new confined liquid state could explain how these catalysts work and help us design better, more efficient ones that last longer. Imagine being able to build custom atomic corrals to guide how materials form, atom by atom. We could create entirely new materials with unique properties, making more efficient use of rare metals for clean energy and other technologies. We're not just looking at a new phase of matter. We're opening a door to a whole new way of building the world around us, from the atom up. It's a reminder that even in the most familiar things, there are still incredible secrets waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science. See you next time.